Hi, hello and welcome. Let's learn some DAX shortcuts. It will help you in two ways. One, it will increase your productivity. Two, you will look and feel like an expert. Now, who doesn't like that, right? So let's start. So the first shortcut is zoom in and zoom out. So click on the measure. It will open up your DAX format pane over here. So if you press Control and scroll your mouse forward and backward, it will zoom in and zoom out. And you can alternatively use the plus and minus arrows as well to zoom in and zoom out along with the Control key. Now the second shortcut is to insert a line above and below. The first one is inserting a line below. So click anywhere in the end of the line and press Shift and Enter. If you just press enter, the code will run. If you press shift and enter, you'll get a line below the line where you have kept your cursor. So again, I keep the cursor over here and I press Control Shift and enter. That's gonna insert a line above the line where we have kept our cursor. So that's about inserting the line. Now the third shortcut. So if we keep the cursor anywhere in this line and press Alt Shift and down arrow, that's gonna copy the line to the next line. If you press Alt Shift and up arrow, that's going to copy the line to the above line. Okay, so that's how you can copy the lines below and above. The same way, if you want to just move the position of the line, instead of pressing Alt Shift arrow, you can just press Alt and arrow. So that's gonna shift that particular line to the lines where you want it to be. So just click on the arrow, Alt and arrow, it's gonna move your line up and down. So Alt and arrow is gonna move the line. Alt Shift and arrow is going to copy the lines. So next, the important one, the commenting the line. The commenting is very important for debugging purposes. So to comment a line, just click anywhere on the line, press Control and /, that's going to comment that particular line. Again, if you want to comment multiple lines, just click on this line. I press Alt over here and click on the next line. So it's going to select all the lines which you want to comment. So I've selected these three right now, and again I press Control and /, that's going to comment all the three lines. And if you want to write something after the line, just click the cursor on the end of the line and you can either go for a double dash or you can also write something like a / and that's it. So this is how you can comment at the end of the lines if you want to try to make sense of what that particular line of code means. So the next is multi-line commenting. Multi-line commenting, again, it's easy. You can select the rows where you want to comment and press Control and /, that's going to comment all the lines which you have selected. Or you can also select this one and select those 4 lines and press Alt Shift and A. That's going to again comment the lines for you. Sixth one and the last one, which is my favorite, I use it a lot, really help you on your productivity. Replace a word, function or a table name. For example, imagine this total line sales has been changed to something else or some other name. So what I'll do is I can click on this one, and if I press Control D, it's going to select the next instances. And if I, instead of total line sales, if I just press total orders, it's going to change everywhere. Okay. So the same way, if you want to select all the instance of it, just click on that particular column name or the table name or even the function, then press on Control Shift and L. That's going to select all the instances and you can go ahead and change it over here as well. So that's easy as it is. So let me know in the comments if you are using any other shortcuts which will help in the productivity of Power BI. Also let me know which is your favorite shortcut from what we have learned today. See you in the next one.